Hey everyone, and welcome back to Diva Styles. So, you guys, I actually did these crafts like before my break, but I just did not post the videos. Don't know why. But this was another one that I did. This is the finished look. I just love how it came out. These are her favorite colors, so of course I had to use it. So if you have a custom label and you do the glitter, oh my gosh, look at it. Beautiful, right? Beautiful. Now that did take a while just because I mixed the colors. So it's like before you could add the second color, you had to wait for the first one to completely dry and then seal it. That way, you know, nothing, the other color don't accidentally go onto it. So this did take a while. It'll take probably, it don't take long to do, but the drying process is what makes it take longer, which I didn't like. But it was an easy project, very easy. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into that craft. Alright, you guys, this is my first time trying to bling out a bottle. I'm attempting, and all I got is these little tiny packets of like pink and then a hot pink. So what I'm doing is mixing the two colors together. Shut up, honey. I forgot I had him on the goddamn phone, y'all. So what I'm going to do now is pretty much. Alright, so as you can see, I have already started with the black glitter on the bottom, and this one is the thicker, chunkier glitter. And now I'm going to be adding some finer glitter. I guess the middle. I guess I'm going to do the middle area, and then go back in with the thicker, chunky black. This is my first time doing this. I've never done this, so excited to see how it's going to come out. I'm just doing this with some Mod Podge and a sponge brush. So pretty much what I'm doing now is just putting the Mod Podge over the area that I want to cover in glitter, which I'm going to do the middle area, I think, because I don't have much of that color. Like I said, all I had is those little small tiny packs. So I'm just going to do the middle, the, color pink, and then I'm going to go back on the top and do black. Come back in for some black. If y'all hear that talking, that's my husband talking. Okay, so almost done here. Alright, to where it's pretty much just like this all the way around. And now, only thing I'm going to do is just take the glitter that I mixed, the two colors that I mixed, and just pour it on there. Alright, and looking at it, I guess it will be enough glitter. I did not think it was going to be enough at first. It's turned out really pretty. It looks pretty. As you can see, I'm going to go ahead and keep going, and then I'll be back. Alright, so this is what it's looking like, and I actually did 2 coats of the pink as well as 2 coats of the black, just so it wasn't so transparent and see-through. I'm going to go ahead and do the top, but I'm going to do the top with back with the black just because, like I said, all I had was 2 of these little packs, and I don't got much glitter left. That's not enough to finish the top. So just keep going, up or do the whole thing if you got a lot of glitter. I would do 2 coats of glitter, and then after that, seal it in place with the Mod Podge. Before I do this last coat of the black, I'm definitely going to cover the pink up with the Mod Podge. That way the black doesn't go into the pink or, mix up or anything like that. But I just wanted to show you what it's looking like, how it looks. It's cute, it's shining, it's blinging, shoot. So it's definitely a nice project, a nice gesture, for those that drink. Um, it is just time consuming. It takes time. But, that's any project that is pretty much handcrafted or handmade. So I'll be back with the finished look. Finished product, you guys, look at that. It is just shining. It is glistening. It is sparkling. Oh my goodness, look at that. And I did do 2 coats of everything, of the black, 2 coats of the pink, because it was still kind of see-through. So I had to do two of everything. So just be mindful of that. If it's still kind of see-through, that's fine. Don't let that unmotivate you. Just go ahead, keep going, and just go back in once it dries and hit it a second time. So if you have any questions on that, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.